Method overloading. One button, many powers, like iPhone side button. Same name, many jobs. Multiple versions of the same method, like a Swiss knife. Definition. Ever typed your friend's name on WhatsApp and hit send? Sometimes it auto-sends to the right number, or asks to pick one. Same action, slight input change. Java does this too. Analogy. Like Google search bar. You can type one word or full sentence, both work. Same method name, different parameters is equal to method overloading. Java code. Void search. Void search. Selenium use. Automate login. 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 Simple rule. Same name, different signatures. Java decides which one to call at compile time. Overloading is compile time polymorphism. Constructors can also be overloaded. Helps avoid writing duplicate methods.